Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to another Floetrol cell activator experiment. In this series, we've been testing various additives in Floetrol-based acrylic paint pours to see what makes the best cells. Today we are testing the 15th out of 16 total activators. In this pour, I'm using 2 drops of a silicone oil called 3-in-1. If you're new to this channel, I'll leave a link to the previous experiments in the description below if you want to check them out. Just to recap though, I'm using the same pouring medium, colors, and method throughout all of the testing. I have a pouring medium mix of about 90% Floetrol to 10% GAC 800. I like adding the GAC to help prevent cracking as the paint dries, but it isn't totally necessary if you don't have it. The colors I'm using are Liquitex Basics in Cadmium Yellow Light Hue, Purell Red, and Ultramarine Blue. For the base, I'm using Amsterdam and Titanium White. Each color, except the white base, has 2 drops of the additive being tested mixed in before pouring. For the method, I chose a flip cup. This method layers the colors on top of each other into a separate cup. That cup is then flipped onto the canvas. I like to let the cup set for around 20 to 30 seconds before lifting up. This will give the paint time to mix and form cells. In today's experiment, I have 2 drops of a high-temp silicone oil called 3-in-1 in the colors. I want to bring up that I did mix these oils into the paint and pouring medium mixture pretty vigorously. In my experience, when you mix oils and additives into Floetrol, the amount that you stir it in will affect the size of your cells. With these tests, I have mixed in everything very well with several strong stirs. I did this because some of the activators were more of a gel consistency, so I had to stir a lot to get them mixed in. I wanted to keep as much the same across the entire experiment as I could, so I did the same with all the additives. If you want larger cells, try just barely mixing in the oil with a couple of quick stirs. The 3-in-1 wasn't quite as active as the Super Lube silicone oil. The cells have a sort of 3D effect to them. I especially like how the yellow laces over the red and blue. This pour really makes the different transparencies of the paint stick out. The yellow is a transparent color, the blue is a semi-opaque, and the red is an opaque paint. Hang around to the end to see the close-ups of the dry results. Well guys, that's all I have for me today. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the next experiment. In the next video, we'll be testing our final additive. We'll also do a pour with these final 4 combined as well. Once we've finished up, we'll take a look at all of them side by side with a control to see which ones you like the most. With 16 to choose from, surely you'll be able to find at least one favorite. See you guys soon. Bye.